Hi friends, how are you? I am very excited today because today I am starting to share my skill of video editing from you, and I love video editing. And once you start it, I bet you will also enjoy it a lot. So I can't wait anymore. Let's start. First of all, we start with filmora9 because it is the basic, interesting and very easy to learn at beginner level. So let's see how to install filmora9. First of all, click on the link which I given you in the description and download the file of filmora9 by following these steps. must install this so that you can start practicing on it with learning. And remember, without practice you can't understand what I'm telling you so clearly. So this is my request from all of you, that you must install it and practice it as much as you can. So that's it. In the next class I will tell you how to use it and what features it's providing to us. Subscribe the channel if you've not done yet, and share it with your friends who want to learn video editing. Take care. Remember me in your prayers. Bye for now.